Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Abel from Hazbin Hotel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the bottom and let's draw the nose. Let's draw two curves down and out, starting at a point at the top. Now on each side, let's draw the eyes. On each side, next to the nose, let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And let's add another curve underneath to close off each eye. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve along the top to thicken up the line. And then let's add an oval inside each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve up and bring it down on top of each eye. And another curve on top. And then color them both in black. Next, we're going to hop in between the eyebrows and let's draw two curves out the top of the face. Now on top, let's start drawing the hair. Let's draw two curves up from the center. And another two longer ones up on top. Now from the bottom lines, let's curve it down to the eye and bring it out. Then from the end, let's curve it back in. Another point out and back in on top. And one more in the same way on each side. Now let's hop back to the center, and from the top lines, let's curve it down like this. Next, we're going to hop underneath on each side and let's draw a curve down and up for the sideburns. And then at the bottom, let's curve it down, meeting at a point for the chin. Now let's hop back out to the sides next to the sideburns and let's draw a curve down and in on each side for the ears. And then a curve down at the top inside. Now to finish off the hair, let's start next to the ears and let's draw a curve down and up. And then let's curve it back into the head. Now that we're done the hair, let's hop in and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the nose and let's draw a curve across. And then let's curve it up on each end. And now let's bring it down to the center with two curves. Now let's hop inside the mouth and let's draw a point up and down in the center. And then let's curve it out and up on each side for the teeth. And lastly, at the bottom here, let's draw a bump up for the tongue. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the hat. Let's start with 2 lines up on top of the head. And then a curve across the top. Now inside the hat, let's draw another curve at the top here. And then we're going to do another one at the bottom, starting on the left. Let's curve it in, continue it in the center, and over on the right side. Now let's add the symbol inside the hat. In the center, let's draw 2 curves down. Then at the bottom, let's curve it up and in, meeting at a point. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a point up in the center and bring it out on each side. Now underneath, let's draw 2 more lines in, bring it down, and close it off at the bottom. And that's it for the main part of the hat. Next, let's add the feather on the left side. Let's start on the bottom left of the hat and let's draw a curve up and in. And then let's add 2 more bumps up, like this. Now for the next part, let's draw a larger curve up, over to the right, and back in. Then a small bump underneath, a larger one out, and 1 more down to the hat. And that's it for the hat. Lastly, let's draw the halo on the right side. On the top right, let's draw an oval, around, and back in, leaving it open. And let's do the same thing inside. Now we're going to connect each of the lines with a zigzag line across, like this. And that's it for Abel. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!